lasting warmth and gentle flow. Laughing voices fill the air, stories drifting everywhere. Plates now empty, hearts at ease, comfort settling like a breeze. Satisfaction wraps the room, lingering in fragrant bloom. This is where contentment stays, resting in the afterglaze. Moments rich with gathered cheer, held in memories kept near. Silence hums with gratitude, softening the tired mood. After joy and sweet delight, peace arrives in tender light. Velvet seats and softened sighs show the calm behind closed eyes. Every guest can feel the glow of abundance's gentle flow. Yet beneath the comfort deep comes a call from inner keep, whispering when rest is through. Life will ask for something new. This is where contentment stays, resting in the afterglaze. Moments rich with gathered cheer, held in memories kept near. Silence hums with gratitude, softening the tired mood. After joy and sweet delight, peace arrives in tender light. Fulfillment glows brightest when balanced with a call to rise again.